I was working in another job industry and I realised there was no real progression. I decided to go back to square one and take an apprenticeship role.
I've always looked for apprenticeships within engineering. Everywhere it offers electrical and mechanical, and it just wasn't for me. When I saw ICA come up, it was more programming, it was more computer side, and it suited me down to a T.
Because the industry I'm working in now is completely new to me, it's nicely balanced because I spend some time on site actually doing hands-on working, and the other half I'm in college, and so you get the best of both really, and I find I myself work better that way.
Whatever we learn here is actually relevant to our job role. Mine is ICA, so I need to learn all the programming side, and here we've learned everything about it. I've been able to take that back to site. The guys have been really impressed with what I know.
For myself, I'm learning a lot more techniques that I've never known to use, and from looking at the machines and learning how to use them, when I go into work I see the exactly same machines being used in industry at the moment. So it's nice to know that you're getting trained on the latest equipment.
For me, I want to try and get in the ICA team within Severn Trent. I need to work my way through and I need to know every process to be able to adapt it on site and then take it on further to like a manager role.
Working for Severn Trent after I finished the 2-year apprenticeship, I'll either be working as an operator on site or I'll be working in the offices doing asset management. It's been very beneficial to learn the background behind everything I'm doing and why I'm doing it, so it will help me progress later on in my career.
Definitely being here is going to set me off for the future and give me a good foundation to do whatever I want.